Patty. Thank you for watching the Pip Crypto Show. This is Wupips, aka WuCrypto. We're gonna do some harmonic patterns today, but before we get into all of that, I'm gonna show you how to get some Satoshis. It's a faucet. You don't have to do this. Links in the description if you're interested. You get free Satoshis. You get your Bitcoins up. So a lot of people don't really like to spend money or put up money to get Bitcoin. This is a way to work around that. I'm not telling y'all to do this. Some people will tell you this is a waste of your time. I mean, if you don't want to pay for Bitcoin, this is another alternative. This is an alternative. You don't have to do this at all. But once you do these things, there are these annoying captchas and things of this nature. Oh, let's try again. I was wrong. Cars. That's gonna be easy, right? All the cars. I haven't made any. Okay, boom. Let's see if we can show you how to multiply the BTC USD. This is what I used to do in the beginning. Bet high. That's 3. I think we have to get 3 wrong in a row. That's what we're looking for. You pick one, bet high or bet low, either or, just stick to one. Alright, boom. Then this is the one you press on. I was betting 1. I'm gonna put 0.000001. Excuse me. Let's bet it. Let's see what happens. Boom. It doesn't work every time. It just works most of the time. So sometimes you might press and you will lose. It happens. Part of the game. Charge it to the game. Let's go check out some Hextracoin. Hextracoin, this is a loan. I don't advise y'all to take the risk if you're not willing to take the risk. I am. I show the transparency on it. A lot of people would like to do Hextracoin, but scared if they already tried other lending platforms and got burnt out. It happens. We all take a risk every day. You walk outside, take a risk. Driving your car, you take a risk. Walking to the bus stop, take a risk. You riding your bike or rollerblading or doing something with some activity, you take a risk. Alright, so I'm up 67%. The payout's been low lately, which is crazy because they were doing good. They were doing about 2%, daily, but now they're less than 1%, averaging out. I'm trying to see lending. I think it's in lending. You see how many days I've been active. I'm waiting for this to get to 100 so I can make the withdrawal and have a risk-free. That's what I'm planning to do. Have a risk-free loan. That's the game plan. But it's been 87 days. And I'm up 67%, which is all good, like, can't be mad at that. When I bought it and Hextracoin was at 0.24, I would have literally doubled what I've had if I just had sat here and, let the money sit here like this. Boom. It's crazy, but we're just going to wait it out. Here's the payout lending amount. If you start with 100, this is where I was at. I can make up to 48 per month. If I had 1,010 volatility software plus 15 after 170 days, these things I'm gonna probably try once I get some more pips up, see how that goes. But I wanted to run this, $100 loan for the time being and see how well it performs over time. You don't have to do this. Links also in the description. I'm not telling y'all to do anything of that nature. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in, more crypto content, we're gonna get into the harmonics today of this bullish Gartley right here. If I'm not mistaken, I probably gotta fix this wick. Yeah. Because that 88.6 is not where I want it to be. I wanted to tap that 78.6. There we go. Boom. This right here is our bullish Gartley. Came down, pullback came around 61.8. Didn't close under it. Stayed above it. Wicked out around that 50%. Then we got our second or C. Then boom, right here, it came around that 78.6 and closed over. This that small move, that would have been the first take profit. Second take profit would have been here. But if it looks like on this trend line that we've had drawn out forever, if we were just trading trend lines, you would have seen boom, you would have had a setup here, this trend line break, boom, you would have had this setup here, then you would have saw that this rejection was here, you could have sold back down, boom, take profit here. And it's just a waiting game. Some people are already selling. Kudos to you if you're selling. I said if it didn't break up here, we can see some more downside momentum, some downside motion. Let's drop down into lower time frames. See if we could spot. Yeah, we have this engulfing right here. It looks like there's a lot of potential downside. This right here was respected at the 50, came engulf, broke that 61.8, and then it's heading down. It might be a retest for this right here. We don't know yet. Might get a trend line bounce. We don't know yet. It's all about waiting. Like I said, most of this trading stuff is psychological. If you had a pending order, you would have, yeah, you would have made it. You would have made it. That take profit one would have been sweet. Right here, boom, take profit one would have got hit at that 50. Take profit two, and then take profit three. Bang, like that pattern technically completed. First take profit. So now it's just a waiting game. If you see any more upside motion, but based off what I see here on the 1 hour, there's a solid engulfing. So sellers still have control of the market, but these harmonic are quick moves. You don't hold these trades for too long. A lot of the time people get confused when I make out some of these patterns because they're like, yo, I missed it. I was like, yeah, you should have had a pending order. What do you mean by pending order? Where D is at, you would have I don't know. I like to front run orders. So you see where it says 83.80 because the spread is so high. I would have probably tried to get in around right there, 85. 85 would have been a solid. I could have survived that drawdown. Low risk. Don't risk too big. Bitcoin is very volatile. Bitcoin can fluctuate a lot. Bitcoin can blow $100 with a 0.01 lot size. Like, some people are like, no, that's crazy. A standard can blow 100,000. Trust me, I've witnessed it. I didn't want to witness it, but you know, it was a demo thing. But be careful with the lot sizes you use trading crypto. Ripple has blown my account. Those are really the only two pairs that are crypto that I've traded. I want to trade Litecoin soon, but I'm hoping like in the next few months or so, because like I said, a lot of this stuff takes time, takes discipline. Even where we're at in the 1 hour, we do some 1 hour drawing. We're gonna draw some. We're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna make some new channels, some new trend line. Boom, that was respected heavily. If anyone caught that trend line respect right there, boom, you're good. You was in the money. You've been riding this wave down forever. I should have caught it when it was right here, because that's when I saw, oh, look, it went. But I was like, it might be respecting that zone, and then I didn't look for it for 2 days, and then it dropped down here, and I'm like, oh, I forgot I was looking, you know. It's just the perks of being a trader. It comes with the territory. At times, people won't understand, like, I don't know. If you're not a trader or you're not in it for the process, you won't admire, you know, the little mistakes you make here and there. You won't admire the trading tips that people give you, because trading, more or less, like I said, is a psychological thing. People think, oh, I can learn how to trade and I'll be fine. Oh, I'll be a beast. It's not that simple. Like, these people who take trading very serious or trade as their life, like they really get to grinding when it comes to certain things. And it's not a joke. You lose money, you win money. It takes a lot of concentration, a lot of focus. That trend line is not supposed to be there. I was just trying to figure out how to make this channel real quick. Oh, this was at Risk Reward, but yeah, boom. Let's delete this. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Alright, boom. Let's go to the 30 minutes. Smaller time frame has more candles, so you can see more clarity per. There we go. Because, like, that was killing me. Because there is a channel right here. A nice, smooth channel. The channel has been either tested or respected. We're about to find out right now. Could draw this out right here. Boom. Yeah, that channel was right here. Got respected. We could do wick to wick. That's fine. Once you have that wick to wick connection, you're good. Boom. That channel was broken. Market was consolidating in this range. Came here, trend line break. Boom. Now we just gotta see what happens when price gets to this area. You can see that double bottom clarifying this pattern completion right here. Then boom, we went towards that first take profit and it was just chilling. And then we're gonna see what happens when the price get here, but it looks like it broke that resistance right here around that 61.8. If it holds to be true, price is gonna drop for a little bit. We probably won't see nothing bullish for a while. Like I said, if it doesn't make it the first, third quarter, second, third, hold on, January, February, March. So we got to see what happens at the end of this month. It's going to be interesting. I was expecting more upside momentum. I was expecting 25K. That hasn't happened yet, but we just wait. We just wait because as we know, Bitcoin is still volatile. And for the monthly, how it looks on the monthly, like it looked like it tested some levels. It might break. We're going to see how this tests out. But look at all that exhaustion. So there's still room somewhere down here for buyers to come back into the program because this completion came here. Pattern was completed. First two take profits of this. I think it was a cipher. Yeah, a bullish cipher on the monthly. Bitcoin takes a while to kind of play out these harmonic patterns, but if they hold to be true, you see that they play out. This one played out. The first one played out. Boom. Second one played out. Boom. I showed y'all this the third pattern. Hopefully this one gets to play out. We have a weekly engulfing which shows the next few weeks. We might have a lot of sellers in the market, but for now we don't know. We want to wait for candle closes, candle opens. This week is going to be crazy. NFP blew a lot of people's accounts. I didn't trade NFP. I try to stay away from NFP now. I won't be doing NFP probably until the middle of the year. That's what I told myself. I'm going to make a separate account for NFP, but I'm going to build that one up, $10. So if I do lose it, it's not upsetting that, I build nothing into something to try to make more. Should have a really good risk management plan, should have a good psychological plan, should have a really good trading plan if you're a trader. If you don't have a trading plan and you're a trader, you should look into that. That's something, as I'm not calling myself a mentor, but from trader to trader, like that's something you should know. Have a trading plan, follow your plan. Trust your own analysis. Don't even trust my analysis. I'm going to put that out there because I'm wrong sometimes. Sometimes I'm not right. When I make these videos, I'm making them based off my own analysis and the analysis of my trading friends. Like I have friends that do trade also. And then if we see the same thing, I just come here and just, stamp it and be like, this is what I think. I can be wrong. I'm not always right. Trading has its ups and downs. But I hope you like this content. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video. Wupips, aka WuCrypto, signing out.